Okay, it's week 14, and we have some things to go over here for week 14. So as I alerted you last week, they're not going to allow us to come to campus to do our speeches. And so I've had to modify our schedule a little bit in light of that new directive. And I don't want anybody stressing out. I have taken some things off because of having to add some things. So I'm trying to help you out as best as I can. Okay, so this is week 14, and so we are still in the speech building mode. We are working on assignments 5 and 6 this week, and then assignment 7 follows next week. Now remember, you need to wait for my feedback on 5 and 6 before you do assignment 7. You should also be studying closely 12 through 14. For weeks now, we've been on 12 through 14, and you have an exam next week, and I'm not going to take that exam off. I think it's reasonable to expect my college class to take one more exam before this semester is over with. And it's a pretty important section, and you have an hour to take it, and it's open book, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. And then next week, again, like I said, is assignment 7. And so in the next few days, you're going to see video regarding how to make a PowerPoint, and then you're going to see a video about how to use screencast software, because you guys are going to have to do your speech through a screencast software. I use Screencast-O-Matic. I think it's the easiest way. And what that does is it'll show you in the corner of the screen, and then you'll have your PowerPoint on the screen. So you'll record that. You will upload it to YouTube. So this will be a time for you that you're going to get a YouTube account if you don't already have one. No worries. This is still relatively private. I'll show you how to set your speech to where it's unlisted so people can't look you up. And you're going to take that speech video link and post it onto a discussion board. So week 16, that's all you're doing. You're doing your speech, you're recording it, and you're uploading it to the class. Week 17 is finals week, and so what you're going to do then is look at each other's speeches, and you'll finish that little post-speech apprehension survey. Notice that I have taken the final exam off. So no more final exam. Instead, we're going to record speeches and post them and look at each other's speeches. It'll take a little bit of time, and so that's why I went ahead and took the final exam out. So that's the new modified schedule, and I have it linked here to week 14 videos and resources. I also have the video for number 5 and 6 because that's what's due this week. And I've already posted number 7 because that is what's coming up, and I want you to be able to work, as soon as you finish 5 and 6, as soon as you get feedback on that. Okay, and so you should notice some changes on the activities in regards to the change in the schedule. Also, I have the speech helpers discussion board in case you have any questions that come up as you're building your speech or working on it. Use that discussion. There are no points tied to it. That way everybody can benefit from it. Your speech is still worth 200 points, and I will grade it from the discussion board. And I'll explain, later about how to do all of this. So I just don't want anybody freaking out on me. But you can find the rubric here. And then, like I said, in week 17, we finish everything by Thursday, May 7th. Okay, I hope this video finds you well. And let me know if I can help you in any way with your speech assignments. I'll talk to you soon.